folks, this is Liva Prodigy, the hunt for the next big thing in the world of fashion. We are moving towards the final stages of our contest. Day after day, our participants are learning the tricks of the game and becoming masters in their own right. From using the right fabric to designing and styling their creations, the mentors on our show are setting some serious mentor goals for all of us. All of these aspiring designers are winners for being here, but only one of them shall be crowned the Liva Prodigy. Who will it be? Let's find out.
It was my childhood dream that I wanted to be a designer, and I belong to a very small place where people are not that much fashion conscious. So if I'll become a big designer, maybe I'll help them out to be a fashion pro.
From my early childhood, there is like aspiration to become a designer, and moreover, I want people to be happy with wearing my clothes, or like just I want to make people happy by my designs.
I still remember the day when Liva first came to our college for a presentation, and that was the first time I was feeling the Liva fabric, and I really never thought I could come to the finale round, and I'm just very excited.
Being a part of Liva is amazing. It is stressful because we have to have a lot of work, but I love the feeling that I'll be able to showcase my designs, my story on such a big platform.
My designs are completely based on Indo-Western cuts and silhouettes. It is for those women who wear contemporary and Western clothes, but yet inspired by the Indian heritage.
I wanted to participate in Liva because it has given me a new platform to showcase our talents.
Let's see what's in store for our winners. The second runner-up gets a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. And the first runner-up gets a cash prize of 1 lakh rupees. And the winner, that is the Liva Prodigy, will get an opportunity to have 3 of his or her costumes sold on abuff.com. And not to forget, a cash prize of 2 lakh rupees. Sounds exciting, isn't it?
It's a great platform for me, and I am learning a lot in this field because it's really great to get such an exposure in such a short time, and I hope for the best in Liva. Thank you.
Yeah, it was a great experience with Liva. I got to know more about how evening wear is, and it was a new thing for me because I'm more into casual wears and all. I'm looking forward to the competition.
I've taken Holy Ganga River as my muse for this collection. The particular line of Indo fusion, traditional yet Western. My color palette derives from holy festive shades of Varanasi.
I feel very fortunate that I have been chosen as one of the finalists of Liva, as it gives me a very big opportunity to work with an incredible designer like Shruti Sancheti, who helped me at every stage to bring my sketches into reality. I would also like to thank Liva for giving me such a great platform as a student. Thank
you. My collection for Liva Prodigy is inspired by Ima Van Lee's paper cut artworks. So hoping to give my best for my finals. Yeah, thank you.
My source of inspiration for this concept, for this contest, stems from Varli. Varli is a tribal art done by the Adivasis of Maharashtra, and these artworks really inspired me to do a collection on them.
There you have it, guys. The grand finale is so close, I can almost feel it in the air now. The excitement is rising, but so is the quality of art. Don't forget to watch the final episode where all our participants will showcase their collections on the biggest stage of fashion. I'll see you guys at the grand finale of Liva Prodigy. As always, stay youthful, stay stylish like Liva.